So here we are in Llais, and it's the fourth of our Llais events. These events are experiments in finding out how best to engage with children and young people, getting them to think hard about their places, about information that they want to put on the map, information that people need to hear about how children and young people see the world.
So mae'r lle Llais yn Llanddwyn wedi bod chydig yn wahanol i'r gweddill am bod yr ysgolion yn ôl rwan, ond beth sydd wedi bod yn wych yma ydy da ni wedi cael grwpiau o ysgolion lleol yn dod i fewn i wneud y gweithgareddau.
They've been going on sensory walks thinking about the things that they feel and the things that they smell and the things that they touch. We've also had Piers Taylor of the architecture practice Invisible Studio. Piers and the team have been making a giant painting on a sail from the island, an old sail.
So this is a messy but beautiful, layered, detailed map of Anglesey from the perspective of primary school children who live here on the island, only using found objects to draw with.
Kids have been coming and drawing and painting on the sail, working in and making stories about the landscape and what they value here.
So the black line is the edge of Anglesey that runs around the whole of this. The yellow was the beaches and the blue is the water that runs around.
We've had a fantastic turnout. We've been gathering lots of data from people about their experience taking part in the events.
Mae prosiect PMP yn eitha unigryw o ran be maen nhw'n trio gwneud. Map digidol sydd am ddim ag i bawb, wbeth sydd yn hawdd i gyfrannu at, sydd yn cynnwys pobl o bob teithio bywyd.
We all carry with us a way of looking at a place, and we do that in a way that is familiar to us. And asking people to think about places differently gives everyone a completely new perspective on where they are. And it's also a really good way to start thinking about the future resilience of a place.